Hey guys, Igor here, and today I want to talk about if you should focus on the volume of your keywords to create your content marketing strategy. And I want to say that this is a big mistake. Focusing on only on the volume of your keyword research makes you to miss some points that will make you shine as an expert of the topic. So, usually, a high volume keyword research has a main risk, which is high competitive keyword. So, you can just rank to a high competitive keyword and also don't get clicks. So, those are the two problems here. First, if you are aiming to rank on a high competitive keyword, you will unlikely rank to that keyword if you don't have a huge domain authority and just too precise article about the subject. And also, sometimes you have a word that has many search, but you do not get clicks because they are, for instance, a simple intent keyword. If you just search for the capital of Brazil, Google will tell you about that topic without the need to go to a website to understand it. So Google will answer it. So it's a big mistake to focus on the volume of your keyword research. What you need to do while you're doing SEO the right way of the SEO strategy is to create a collection of content that exhibit expertise about your buyer journey. So sometimes, and also usually, you need to rank and aim on keywords with a low volume search because they will make you shine as an expert of that subject. And the collection of many low volume keywords will help you to rank to the high volume keywords. So what you need to do is to focus on to shine as an expert of a subject and not just to randomly rank prioritizing volume on your keyword research. So you should try to rank to all keywords that exhibit expertise on your marketing, on your subject, on your field. They can be low volume keywords or also a high volume keyword. But when you are aiming for a high volume keyword, you will also rank to low volume keywords. So you need to think your SEO strategy as a bunch of groups, as a bunch of cluster keywords that together make sense. So what you're gonna do, let's think about that you want to rank in the law field. And you're gonna find some keywords in the law field that has a high volume. For instance, civil law or constitutional law. But while you are researching about constitutional law, you find a lot of specific topics of low volume keywords that you should write about it to shine as an expert of that field. And when you have those collections of articles, of blog posts that cover all your fields, Google will recognize that you are an expert in that field, and the algorithm will help you to be in the front page, ranking in the law subjects, ranking also in the high volume keywords because you already wrote articles toward that topic, showing that you have expertise. So never think your SEO strategy as something that allocates to volume, that is related to just try to rank without a context. Think, and that's the right way, the one way, to create content as a collection that exhibit expertise. And it doesn't matter if the keyword has a low volume, because you need to demonstrate to Google and to your buyers, your customers, your leads, that you have the expertise around the whole subject. And in that way, in the end, you will rank the high volume keywords because you have whole keywords related to that topics that you are ranking, and Google will recognize your website as a website that is an expert, that has expertise in that topic. I hope you like that class. Till the next time.